All right, you've got the replacement rule down, so let's move on to our second big idea, the addition rule. Now in this case, Mo doesn't kick anybody out. Nope, this time it's a team player. It just joins the party.
This rule is for particles that tell you things like where or how or to where something is happening. Particles like ni, de, and he. With these guys, you keep the original particle right where it is, and you just add mo right after it.
Let's look at an example. You say, I went to Tokyo. That ni particle is key. It marks your destination. So what if you also went to Osaka? Well, you don't want to lose that destination marker, right? So you keep it, and you just tack mo on right after. Osaka ni mo ikimashita. I went to Osaka too. See? We didn't replace ni, we just added to it. Let's do one more just to lock it in. I studied at home. That uses the particle de to mark the location of the action. So if you want to say you also studied at the library, you get toしょかんでも べんきょうしました. You see that pattern? The particle de stays, and mo just tags along for the ride.
Okay, this is probably the most important thing to remember from this whole explainer. It's the key to never getting confused. With any given particle, you either replace it with mo or you add mo after it. You never ever do both. It's always one or the other.
And this little chart here, it's the perfect cheat sheet. You've got the replacement rule on top, affecting wa, ga, and wo, like in our banana mo example. And on the bottom, the addition rule for particles like ni, de, and he, which gives you things like Osaka ni mo. This is all you need to remember. Okay, theory's over. You've seen how it all works, you've got the two rules down, now it's your turn to give it a shot. Let's put this into practice. All right, here's the scenario. Let's start with, I study English. 私は英語を勉強します. Now, how would you add the sentence, I study Japanese too? Think about it. Japanese is the thing you're studying. It's the object, so what particle would it normally take? And which of our two rules does that fall under? Take a second. Ready? The answer is, 日本語も勉強します. If you got that right, awesome job! Because Japanese is the object of the verb to study, it would normally take the particle wo. And as we just learned, wo is in that first group of particles that gets completely replaced by mo. You nailed it. And there you have it. By just remembering when to replace and when to add, you've just added a seriously powerful tool to your Japanese toolkit. You can now connect your ideas way more smoothly and honestly just sound a lot more natural. So now, go out there and try it. The next time you're practicing, listen for chances to use mo. You've got this.